Uncle Jojo Warm Chica to another Rip Roaring episode. We last week had a look at how to hold and use our hammer. Very, very important in the way that we grip that and we hold it into position. We're going to use these skills that we learned last week. We're going to bring them straight over to how we use either a drill or an impact driver. That grip that we were talking about, putting it into the palm of the hand and utilizing these fingers to push that into the palm of the hand, keeping the trigger finger nice and loose. Same as when we use the hammer and we're leaving our trigger finger nice and loose and we can steer with the back of our hand, we can steer that hammer. Exactly the same thing. You've just got to be careful. That's why we want to leave this loose. If you keep it all tight all the time, what ends up happening is you create tension in the arm and you get RSI. So think about that. The other thing that we had a look at was our dovetail nailing. So come over here and checkity this out. Yes, last week we talked about dovetail nailing. We were fixing the timber into position or the nails into position using friction. So whacking them into position with different angles to hold it into position. Today we're going to have a look at a couple of screws. We're going to put one straight down to fix it into position, and then what we're going to do is put one in on an angle so it creates that tension. Screws work on tension, nails work on friction. So by using one straight in and one on the angle, it creates a little bit better tension and squeezes the material together. So have a look. By doing that way, what we're doing is holding it into position with the first one, and the second one comes in on the angle, so it really locks it into position. And if you're putting things like shiplap or something along those lines in your build, you can really use that angle to hold and pull things together using the tension of the screw. Don't forget to always fix your material down either, folks. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or queries about that, flick it over and I'll answer it for you best I can, whenever I can. Till then, like always, stay unreal banana peels and I'll see you in the soup.